So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find out the total number of messages that are stored in your iCloud on any iPhone that you have or any of the Apple device that you have. Now in order to do it, you simply need to access the iCloud settings. You can easily get that when you open the settings, and here click on your profile on the top corner, and here simply click on this option of iCloud right there. Now here you simply need to click on this option of messages right there. Click on messages, and here you'll notice this option of in iCloud, and you will find the exact number of messages that are currently stored in the iMessages. You can easily get them. Now again, if you don't want them, you can easily turn off this option of use on this iPhone, and all the messages are will not sync again. Or here you can see in the cloud the 5,000 plus messages are being stored for me. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.